Let's learn how to speak English in kitchen and understand their meanings too. Let's start. Please chop the onions. Please chop the onions. Please प्याज काट दें. Rinse the vegetable. Rinse the vegetable. सब्जियां धो लें या सब्जियां धो दें. Kindly pass me the salt. Kindly give me the salt, we can say too. Please मुझे नमक इधर दे दें. Strain the tea. Strain the tea. चाय छान लें. Stir constantly. Stir constantly. मुसलसल चम्मच हिलाते रहें. Now come to the next page. Let's learn more sentences. Let's start. Turn up the heat. आंच तेज कर दें. Turn up the heat. आंच तेज कर दें. Don't drink water while standing. Don't drink water while standing. खड़े होकर पानी ना पिएं. Preheat the griddle. Preheat the griddle. तवा गरम कर लें. Turn it upside down. Turn it upside down. Side पलट दें. Serve the hot food. Serve hot food. खाना गरम दें. Come to another page. Let's learn more sentences and understand their meanings. Help me set the table. Help me set the table. मेज़ ठीक करने में मेरी मदद करें. Saute the onion. Saute the onion. प्याज हल्का सा भून लें. Mince the onions. Mince the onions. प्याज को बारीक कर दें. Cook over a low heat for 5 minutes. Cook over a low heat for 5 minutes. 5 मिनट हल्की आंच पर पकाएं. Warm up the milk. Warm up the milk. दूध गरम कर दें या दूध गरम कर लें. Now come to the next page. Let's learn more sentences and understand their meanings. Let's start. Let it cool down. Let it cool down. इसे ठंडा होने दें. The milk may boil over. The milk may boil over. दूध उबल सकता है. Sprinkle the water. Sprinkle the water. पानी छिड़कें. Don't over fry it. Don't over fry it. इसे ज़्यादा ना भूनें. Squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the lemon. लीमू निचोड़ें या लीमू निचोड़ लें. So, these are the sentences. Take care and goodbye.